Hey, quick question. Are you really good at noticing patterns? Check this out. This pattern happens all of the time in the stock market. It's referred to as a double bottom. And I'm going to make it look really easy because I've been studying these patterns for 11 years and I have made a lot of money off these patterns, but they show up everywhere. They might not be easily spottable now, but check this out. A double bottom is a pattern where a stock comes down, retests a low, and then bounces. Boom, here's another one. Boom, right there. Here's another one. Look at this. You can actually see it. It looks like a W. Bang, right there. Nice, easy W. Let's do another one. Home Depot, same exact thing. Oh, look at that. Oh, I just found one. Bang. Look how much money that is. You're 182 a share to like 200 a share. That's massive. Here's another double bottom right there. Boom. You're talking 193 a share to 210 a share. Folks, this is occurring in weeks. What's another stock? Apple. Let's go look at Apple. See if I can find a double bottom. There's one right there. Look at this. A little bit of a bigger double bottom. Bang. There it is. Let's do another one. Facebook. Take some FB. Facebook, double bottom, right there. Here's so easy. Boom, double bottom. Boom, double bottom. Boom, double bottom. Bang. Look at that. Perfect W. I mean, you can almost spell the word winner. W-I-N-E-R. Here's another one. Bang. That one did not work quite as well, as you can see, but it's there. They're all there. If you're like, Jeremy, this is just happening now. All right, let's just zoom back. Facebook, I don't know. Let's just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Randomly, what was this, 2013? Nope, there's one right there. Double bottom on Facebook. Bang, right there. Bang, right there. Bang, right there. Bang, right there. They're everywhere. Jeremy, this only occurs on assets. Nope, let's go look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, BTC, USD. I know everyone's talking about Bitcoin. Oh, there's one right here. Double bottom. Bang. Perfect pattern. Very nice W. Folks, they occur everywhere. You see, these patterns shape up and happen all of the time in the stock market. They don't always work. But one of my sayings is everything in the stock market works, just not all the time. Let me teach you how to make an extra 200, 300 bucks every single week trading the market, paying off debts, and becoming financially free. Click the links below, join my day trading program. It's entirely free. You rock. I'll see you.